Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Pro Car Studio. My name is Rudy, and today we're going to be installing a SiriMoto Radiator Shroud washer kit on our 10th gen Civic Si. So the installation of the Radiator Shroud washer kit is very straightforward, great for first-time modders, and it's going to add some bling to your ride. You do need some kind of a non-marring pry tool maybe to pick off or take off the push clips that are on there from the factory, or you can use a flathead screwdriver to take them off as well. As far as other hardware that you may need to install the kit, it does come with a hex key to install the screws, and so you're pretty much all set. Just a matter of removing the old clips and putting the hardware in. So first step is going to be to pop open the hood, obviously, and then we're going to get access to 11 push clips holding on the radiator shroud and a portion of the rubber weather stripping for the hood. Starting with the 4 clip locations that are closest to the engine, we're going to stack our 10mm shim, our rubber expanding nut, washer and bolt, and then we'll tighten everything down. Another way to approach the assembly of these washer kits is to just set up your washer so that you have your rubber nut, your bolt, and your washer held together with slightest of tension, and then slide your 10mm washer on to install the 4 closest to the engine. After that, you just drop the rest of them in, tighten them up, and you'll be good to go. Making sure to hold the washer in place so it doesn't spin on you. This will ensure that the rubber expanding nut tightens up properly. So that'll pretty much do it for the installation of the Radiator Shroud washer kit on our 10th gen Civic Si. Overall, very straightforward, really easy to do, and if it's your first time modifying a car, it's a great way to start. So make sure to check out this product and a bunch of other parts for your 10th gen on our website, procivic.com. Leave any questions or comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Once again, my name is Rudy from Pro Car Studio, and I'll see you next time.